Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Romeo. Happy birthday to you. You're not the only one. Let's go find little brother. It's his birthday too. Here he is down here with Gabriel. Hey Joey. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, little Joey. Happy birthday to you. The sweet boys are 10 years old today. 10 years old. Goodness gracious. Somebody's getting left out. Who's getting left out? Here you go, Boozy. Here you go, Boozy P. Oh, Rayford is getting your food. Oh, Rayford says, I'm going to bury it. He says, no tuna for me. Here's our big girl, the itty bitty baby princess, having her taste of tuna. Our sweet Job. He likes some tuna. It's pretty good, huh, Job boys? Pretty good, buddy. What about Mr. Starkiller? We know he loves it. Hosanna's gonna steal it. Hosanna's gonna steal it. Here you go, Ronnie. There's a little extra for you, birthday boy. Oh, my sweet babies. Happy birthday, Sugar Buns.